What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Do You Hear Me coming back at y'all another video. Man, I just wanted to talk to y'all today, man. Unfortunately, had to get rid of the Scat. You know what I'm saying? Shit just came up. So as y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, I am in my little hoopty, digging a little manual junk. It was just getting too expensive, man. Gas prices fucking out the roof. Shit just crazy, man. Like, I didn't find it very smart for me to be paying what I was paying for my car, on top of having gas being like $5.40, or not $5.40, like $5.14 right now, which is just fucking crazy. Like, I know in the States it's higher, but when I ordered my car, I was definitely not planning to pay that price. Now, did I want to get rid of my shit? I was contemplating it for a little minute, you know what I'm saying? I definitely was contemplating, but it's gonna be something else coming to the channel, man. It's definitely gonna be something else coming to the channel. I'm gonna show y'all what this car look like, man. Like, I'm gonna have to show y'all what the hoopty looking like. And this is a diesel, so this junk get like 1,000. It get like 1,000 kilometers on one tank, which is like 600 miles, something like that. So the gas mileage and all of that shit is spectacular on this motherfucker. I'm not gonna cap. But yeah, for all the people that was like, man, you gonna have to get rid of that car, this and that and the third. Y'all right. I did have to get rid of that motherfucker. This shit right here, times is hard, bro. Times is hard. I am not making enough money to be able to drive a Scat as a daily, on top of having to pay for gas and all that shit. Insurance, all that shit really wasn't that bad, but it was just the gas prices, bro. Like, I've been looking at Teslas. I've been looking at all types of shit. I'm not gonna lie to you. I actually talked to one of my seniors. That man told me, he's like, man, hit a referral code. I'm gonna give you the referral code so you can get the Tesla. I've been looking at the price of Teslas. I've been looking at Beamers. I've been looking at all types of shit. So just know, it's some other shit coming to the channel. 100% some more shit coming to the channel. But I need something that's good on gas. I can't do the low. I can't do it, bro. But I'm gonna give y'all a little car tour of the new whip. Now, in the comments, I don't want y'all laughing at me. I don't want y'all on my head like, you broke, I don't want to hear none of that shit. I don't want to hear nothing. I'm being smart about it. I just feel like I could invest my money in better ways. And yeah, man, I just made that step for myself. I love my car to death, but I made that step for myself. The car been gone for like a week now, so yeah, man, sad day. But let me show y'all what the new whip looking like. So this is the new whip, you feel me? Little station wagon, you know what I'm saying? The little Renault Clio. LED lights in that motherfucker, y'all already know. Big LED lights. She a little dirty right now, but she good, you know what I'm saying? She got some tins, but she clean though. Nah, she actually dirty as hell right now. Show y'all. My junk got the hatchback. Stop fucking with me. Look at all this space, man. You put about 3 12s in the back. Nah, I ain't even gonna do all that. But I might put 2 12s in the back, you feel me? A little something. Still a little hatch. Don't even mind the little gas cap missing. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. I ain't even worried about that shit. That motherfucker get from point A to point B, we good. Might need a little air in the tires. She need a little facelift, you know what I'm saying? She a little busted up in the front, but it's all good. We ain't even tripping on that. that shit straight. You feel me? That shit straight. She got a little lazy lip. You know what I'm saying? A little lazy lip, but yeah, man. I'm on a way to a better financial journey. Not owning a Scat, saving my bread, getting some. Just know, it's some shit coming to the channel, man. Just know. And while you playing, she actually got a little turbo in her too. You know what I'm saying? Let me gas it up for y'all real quick. So let me hear. Yo, do you hear me? Do you hear? Do you hear me? And she got 230 on the dash, 230 kilometers. You know what I'm saying? She got the GPS. You know what I'm saying? Little speakers in here. Drake got enough money, man. We ain't gotta run Drake no check. He got enough money. Now the only thing with this car does not have AC, which is cool because it's starting to get cold now. You know what I'm saying? Roll the window down. Old school with it. We rolling the window down. That ain't nothing. But yeah, man, I got this car for a pretty good price. Cool, like a little 1500, something like that. Little 2012 Renault Clio. So this the new jump, man. We might do some modifications to this too, but the channel might be on pause for a little minute. I'm not gonna cap. I'm not gonna cap to you. It's a sad day in the neighborhood, but oh man, damn, I'm gonna miss the Scat. 100%. I'm definitely gonna miss the Scat. But it's all good, man. It's all good. I'm actually just stay tuned to the channel, man. Stay tuned to the channel. Actually, my boy Walt, he gonna let me drive his Beamer because I ain't gonna say too much, but just know I'm gonna be driving the Beamer, all that. Bring some Beamer content to y'all, and yeah, just stay tuned, man. Stay tuned to the channel, but I ain't even worried about the negativity. This shit literally just for me. It's literally just for me financially. Feel like it was a better move. But yeah, man. Sad day in the neighborhood. I'm gonna give y'all a little POV so y'all can see. I'm actually I already been looking at tint, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to get my junk tinted out. 5% all the way around. I gotta get my bumper fixed, AC, all that shit getting fixed. I'm probably gonna wrap it. I might throw some little wheels on this motherfucker while you playing. Throw some little 16s on here. Little 16 motherfuckers. This junk do got the turbo though. It's like a 1.0, like a 1 liter turbo. Might do a little blowout valve too. Give you a little Y'all know what that. Y'all know the sound they make. But yeah, man, I'm gonna give y'all a little POV. Give y'all some pulls real quick and shit. Show y'all how this motherfucker get up and go. You know what I'm saying? I can't really pass nobody right now, but I'm gonna let this car get up a little bit. Yeah. Big turbo. I ain't gonna lie. I forgot the shift. Well, I forgot the clutch and shit. Whoever this motherfucker is, he about to hit somebody. Give y'all a little POV. Damn, man. This shit ain't got shit on the Scat. At all. While you playing though, that turbo kick in. While you playing. While you playing, that turbo go crazy. Only going about 50 miles per hour. Oh shit. But nah, just want to give y'all a little POV with the new whip. Please don't be in my comments hating on me. That's all I ask. Please don't be in the comments hating on me. Cause half of y'all niggas can't even get a Scat your damn self. So me getting rid of my shit due to just wanting to be financially better. And I ain't saying you ain't gonna get one. I'm just saying the niggas that be commenting really don't be having no motion. They don't be having shit going. And that's like on some real shit. That's not being fucking arrogant. That's not being cocky in no type of way. It's literally just the niggas that talk shit literally don't have anything going for themselves. And they 9 times out of 10 stay with their fucking mama. Don't have shit going for themselves. Or they old and crusty as hell. So y'all old and crusty ass motherfuckers that be watching my channel that don't want to see young niggas live. It's okay, man. It's okay. Your day, you know what I'm saying? It be good. You know what I'm saying? It ain't no issue. You gonna be straight, you feel me? But yeah, make sure I don't hit nothing. Gotta make sure I don't hit nothing now. I just want y'all to make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man, cause it's still shit on the way. It's still content to be made. It's just we trying to be financially better. You know what I'm saying? We got other goals set. That's really what it boiled down to. But I don't know. Damn. That sound like come on, man. Y'all know damn well I didn't get rid of my fucking scat. It's my baby. Come on now. Y'all know better than that. Y'all know better than that. But for y'all people that really be praying on my downfall, wishing that that was the case, that I had to get rid of my shit, we got motion around here, man. We got motion. Very humbly, very blessed to have motion around here. It's not on no cocky shit whatsoever. It's just people prey on your downfall. They don't want to see you win. They don't want to see you be able to go out here at the age of 24 and buy your dream car. They don't want to see that shit. And still be able to take trips, travel, the whole 9, still be able to, you know what I'm saying, pop your shit. People ain't doing that, man. And I'm just very blessed. Very blessed to be in the position that I'm in right now. But it's supposed to be a package. I don't see it. Let me see. But yeah, the scat is still here. For y'all that was wondering, stay tuned to the channel because I just got my wrap idea finalized, so please stay tuned for that. It's coming very soon. I just hit up the guy that does my wraps, so we will have the wrap officially starting on the 30th, which is my birthday. Timing didn't really work out for me to get it done before my birthday, but that's all good because it's gonna get done regardless. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the channel for that. I want y'all to make sure y'all lock in. Also, shout out to my boy SRTJD if y'all haven't already. Make sure y'all go subscribe. He's in my featured pages. But bro just rapped the scat. Pressure. My dog went crazy on the rap. My dog went dumb. So I'm just it's good to see people winning, man. Good to see people winning. You like it? You like the car? Yeah, man. It's like little kids walking up. They love my car, man. But It's a little kid, man. You gotta do it for the kids. Gotta make sure the kids happy. See, that's one of the things. That's one of the reasons why I could never get rid of my car. It brings me too much happiness, and it brings kids too much happiness. Like, little kids always just stare at my car. They always bye. See, like, little kids, they just always stare at the whip. And they always want to hear it rev up. Like, it's shit like that that's just priceless, man. Cause you think about it as you watching right now as an adult. You know what I'm saying? I know some kids might be watching, but as an adult, think back to when you were a kid and you saw the OGs driving the Mustangs, and you know what I'm saying, they had the old schools, and you just sitting there like, damn, I want to get one of these when I'm older. And you think like, I'm gonna get one, but it's never really in your head like it's really an attainable goal. You know what I'm saying? It never really, at least to me, that's how it kind of like came across to me. Is like, it never in my head I was like, yeah, like I'm gonna actually get that shit. Never. But seeing little kids be excited and happy, especially like being overseas, being in Germany, it's so many little kids. And I ain't want to put them on camera, but like, if y'all could have saw his face, he was stuck. Like, they was literally just having a little stroll down the street. He just stopped. Like, little kid, like maybe 2 years old, like maybe 2-3 years old, probably 2. But he was just stuck, like just like starstruck, like. Yeah, man, I can never get rid of my shit. Do you hear me? But yeah, man, I just had to troll for y'all a little bit, give y'all a little give y'all a little something, because I know y'all haters was praying on this one for sure. But we still in the scat. Just know rap coming soon, so stay tuned. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. Do you hear me? 392 out.
Man, hit the motherfucking button.